Hi, this is Lou from YA Strength. Let's talk about multivitamins. We all know that health is important, and you, of course, want to be as healthy as you can be. And yes, we all usually know or have a good sense of what we should be eating to get our essential nutrients. But the truth is, many of us end up eating what simply tastes best, which usually leads to junk food or, in kind of words, less healthy options that we all love to eat almost every single day of the week. So, being a health conscious person that you are, you may be asking yourself a common question. Should I be taking a multivitamin? Yes or no? I'll be answering that for you in a short video today, along with what's actually inside of a multivitamin. But let's start off by discussing what multivitamins actually are. What are multivitamins? In short, multivitamins are supplements that contain different vitamins and minerals. Multivitamins are also called multiminerals, multis, or simply vitamins. Whichever you call it, it's all the same. And they're available in many forms, including tablets, capsules, chewable gummies, powders, and liquids. Multivitamins are also available in pharmacies, large discount stores, and supermarkets, as well as online. And their nutritional content vary by brand and product type. This is why it can be a bit confusing or overwhelming when you go to a local Walmart or a supplement store and see a never-ending option of multivitamins that are available. And last, they each generally have a common dosage of about once or twice daily, depending on which type and form you purchase. So, let's talk about what multivitamins actually contain. It is important to know that there are 13 vitamins and about 16 minerals that are essential to your health, all of which either aid in enzyme reactions in the body or function as signaling molecules and structural elements to help your body grow and work the way it should. The 13 vitamins include vitamin A, C, D, E, K, and the B vitamins thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, B6, B12, and folate. The 16 minerals include calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, sulfur, chloride, iron, iodine, fluoride, zinc, copper, selenium, chromium, and cobalt. Some multivitamins also contain additional ingredients such as herbs, amino acids, or fatty acids. All these vitamins and minerals mentioned can be contained in and often are found in multivitamins in various forms and amounts. These nutrients are essential to your body's needs for reproduction, maintenance, growth, and regulation of bodily processes. If you take your time and pick a multivitamin that best meets your dietary needs, then yes, take a multivitamin. What I mean by that is, according to the National Institute of Health, or NIH, multivitamins cannot take the place of eating the variety of foods that are important to a healthy diet. This is because food provides more than just vitamins and minerals. They also have fibers and other ingredients that may have positive health effects. It's important to know that there are people who simply don't get enough vitamins or minerals from foods alone, are on low-calorie diets, have poor appetites, or avoid certain foods in general, such as strict vegetarians or vegans. Those types of people should consider taking multivitamins. When it comes down to it, some people might benefit more than others from taking multivitamins, depending on their specific situation. There are different needs. For example, pregnant women. According to NIH, women who become pregnant may need higher amounts of folic acid to reduce the risk of birth defects in their newborns. It is recommended that women also take an iron supplement. A prenatal vitamin is likely to provide iron. For babies, according to the NIH, breastfed infants should receive vitamin D supplements. And postmenopausal women, calcium and vitamin D supplements may increase bone strength and reduce the risk of fractures. For people over the age of 50, vitamin B12 helps because they might not absorb enough vitamin B12 that is naturally found in foods, or even athletes, due to the higher than normal energy expenditures that occur with their intense trainings. So, as I said earlier, different needs apply. So, the bottom line is, multivitamins are not a magical pill to becoming healthy or to achieving an ideal level of health. It is still important to eat as healthy as you can and you shouldn't take a multivitamin to fix a poor diet. Instead, eating a balanced diet of fresh, whole foods is much more likely to ensure a good health over the long term. However, if you take the time to understand your diet and what you typically eat, you can take a deeper look and find out where you are lacking in essential vitamins and minerals. Knowing this will help you find a multivitamin that fills any nutrient deficiencies that you are currently missing from your typical diet, or what you need depending on your age and level of activity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Lou from YA Strength, also known as You Are Strength.